MyService360 is your one-stop shop for managing support and services across your enterprise environment. In this video, learn how to use MyService360 to schedule on-site services and monitor their progress to completion. On-site services include proactive and corrective maintenance work, which are key to keeping your Dell EMC products humming along. Let's take a look at two features that help you efficiently manage on-site services. When you log into MyService360, scan the activity summary above the map for any unscheduled activities. This is a virtual to-do list that helps you set your priorities. Click on the count of unscheduled activities to pinpoint their locations on the map. Click a location to bring up the basic details of a service request. To start scheduling your service requests, click the Schedule This Activity link. Once scheduled, the service request in MyService360 is updated in near real time. Next, let's jump to the Incident Management tab. Here, you have several ways to manage on-site services. However, in this video, we highlight the Schedule option, which lets you efficiently track and manage your scheduled and unscheduled services. To begin, click the center of on-site services in the heads-up display. This isolates the service requests for the products you manage. At the same time, Schedule appears as a menu option. Click Schedule to bring up the details of all unscheduled events in a new window. These are open service requests awaiting your action. You can filter them by crew eligible or technician required. Note that each record displays this information in the top right corner. A service request designated as crew eligible indicates that the component can be shipped directly to you and be replaced by your technician, providing even more flexibility for scheduling that works best for your organization. When you're ready, reach out to our agents to schedule an activity by chat, email, or phone. If needed, the contact information for scheduling and account services is just one click away. Now let's take a closer look at the features for managing the services you've already scheduled. Simply click Schedule to switch to the list of scheduled services in this window. By default, you get a timeline view of all activities grouped by site for the current day. As needed, open up Work Order Scheduled to review the timing and status for that activity. You can filter the activity for that day by a specific status, such as traveling or work started, to check progress. Next, look ahead. Select Next 30 days to look at the spread of scheduled activities in this calendar view over the course of a month. Drill into any activity at any time for more detail. If you prefer, switch to List for a timeline view of your scheduled activities. Here, you can find the name, contact details, and a picture of our field technicians who will visit your site. With MyService360, you can easily schedule and manage on-site technicians and maintenance work across your environment. Get started today. For more information, visit the MyService360 Knowledge Center at dell.com/support.